Samsung Galaxy M31s screen size, camera detail, color option and configuration have been leaked by a tipster. As per the tweet by tipster, the Galaxy M31s will come with a 6.5-inch of display, 4 cameras on the back, 1 on the front, and will come in 2 color option with 2 RAM and storage configuration. Just recently, the Samsung Galaxy M31s was also reportedly spotted in a Google Play console listing that hinted at some of its specifications. As per the tweet by tipster Ishal Agarwal, the Samsung Galaxy M31s is set to feature a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED Infinity O display with 407 ppi pixel density. The phone may come with 4 cameras on the back, including a 64 megapixel of a primary sensor, 12 megapixel of ultra wide lens, 5 megapixel of depth sensor, and finally 5 megapixel of macro shooter. The front camera is rumored to be a 32 megapixel sensor. The device is coming with a Samsung Exynos 9611 processor and battery capacity of 6000 mAh of a battery, and that is set to charge a 25 watt of fast charger with a USB Type-C port. Notable thing, Samsung has previously confirmed the battery capacity, charging speed, 64 megapixel camera and Super AMOLED display. The Samsung Galaxy M31s may come in 2 RAM and storage configuration, which are 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage and 8GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Additionally, it may come in 2 color options, namely Mirage Black and Mirage Blue according to the tipster. Talking about the Google Play console listing, it also stated that the phone will power by the Exynos 9611 SoC and a 6GB of RAM. However, it is mentioned that the Galaxy M31s will have a 420 dpi pixel density with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixel. But the tipster number for pixel density is a little different. The Samsung Galaxy M31s will be launched on July 30th, and this device is going to be a mid-range category device from Samsung in India. Its price has not been yet confirmed on which price tag the Samsung is going to launch this device. So guys, what do you think about the upcoming Galaxy M31s? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and also please do consider subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.